Today we're talking about perimeter. First, Sue made these shapes on a geoboard. Can you see the shapes? It is a triangle, a rectangle and a square. She used 3 strings to make these shapes. Each string is about 12 centimeters long. So if you can imagine, she took a string and she wrapped it around these pins, and each string was 12 centimeters long. The shapes are different, but they have the same perimeter. The perimeter of a figure is the distance around the figure. The perimeter of each shape is 12 centimeters. Now you're going to practice how to use a string and a ruler to measure perimeter. First, you're going to have any shape. Then you're going to take your string and you're going to place it on one side. You can use sellotape or you can use your finger and put the string as close to the line as you can, and then you can trace it all around. If you put your finger on each spot here as you trace it around, you can let the string drop as long as you have the distance all the way around. And then when you have that whole long string, you can hold your finger where the string ended, over there, and unshape the string into a straight line and measure it on the ruler. And this one was just under 25 centimeters long. Now for activity 1, that's exactly what you're going to do. You're going to take a shoelace or a string and a ruler, and you are going to measure the perimeter of the shape on the screen, which is longer, X or Y. So you're going to take a string, you're going to put your string on it and put your finger on that spot, and you're going to place the string all the way around, and then put your finger there, all the way around, and put your finger there, all the way around, and put your finger there, all the way around. And then that length you're going to open onto a ruler and you're going to measure. Then you're going to take a different string and you're going to measure, 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 measure. And you're going to open it up and you're going to measure it, and you're going to tell me which one of these has a longer perimeter. And then activity 2, you're going to use a paper, a pencil, a shoelace or string and a ruler. You can, however, use crayons or a Koki. The more colorful it is, the better. You're going to draw each of these shapes. So if you need to, pause your screen now and draw A, B, C, D, E and F. You can draw them as big as you want, but try not to draw them very small. At least they have to be 5 centimeters or bigger, because in step 2 you're going to use a string and measure the perimeter of each shape. Then you're going to take a photo of your 6 shapes. You're going to take a photo of one shape with a string that you use to measure it around it, and you're going to take a photo of that string on a ruler showing me the length of it, so that I can see that you practiced the exercise properly. Then you're going to load your photos onto Edmodo and tell me which shape is bigger, Y or X. Remember activity 1. And that's all for today.